Hello everyone. So in this new assignment, we have to write a program to input basic salary of an employee and calculate its gross salary according to the following variations. So what does it mean? It means that we have to input the basic salary of an employee and we have to calculate the total salary. But before calculating the total salary, we have to also take care of some of the features like HRA, DA. So we have given the conditions, that is, if the basic salary is less than 10,000, then the HRA will be calculated 20% of its 20% of its basic salary, and DA will be calculated as 80% of its basic salary, and then that total will be calculated, the total amount. Similarly, if the basic salary is less than 20,000, then the HRA will be calculated as 25% of the basic salary and DA will be calculated as 90% of its basic salary. So basic salary, HRA plus DA will be acted as the total salary, that is the gross salary of the employee. Let us now move on to understand the logical part of it. Considering that the inputted salary, I will just first of all write out the conditions. Let us assume, okay? So assume that if the salary is less than 10,000 as it has been mentioned to us, so DA will be calculated as 10,000 into DA has been mentioned to us 80% and HRA is 20%, okay? So we will take it as basic salary whatever it is, and it is 80% DA, so I will be writing it as 0.8. Similarly, HRA will be calculated as 10,000 into of 20% na, so I will be taking it as 0.2. Whatsoever values will be now, so for example the basic salary is 10,000, okay, the basic salary is 10,000 plus 10,000 into 0.8, it is 8,000 plus 10,000 into 0.2, it is 2,000. So the total amount will be 20,000. This is the total gross salary of that employee. In the similar way, if the salary is 20,000, I will calculate the DA according to that and I will calculate the HRA according to that. And finally, I will print the total gross salary of it. Hope you guys have understood the logical part. Let us now move on to the coding section. So over here, I will be taking the basic salary. So let us assume the basic salary is 15,000, okay? Then I will be taking some variables as gross salary, DA and HRA. Also I will be taking, nahin, abhi ke liye itna kafi hai. Okay, so according to the condition, if basic salary is less or equal to 10,000, then DA is equal to basic into 0.8 and HRA is equal to basic into 0.2. Similarly for the next conditions, else if basic salary is less or equal to 20,000, then DA and HRA will be calculated as basic into and basic into. Let's just check it out again. So 20% agar hai 20,000, so HRA is 25% and DA is 90%, okay? So that will be calculated as, DA will be calculated over here as 90% na, so 0.9 and HRA will be calculated as 0.25. And finally the third condition, that is for if it is above 20,000. Let me just show you again. If it is greater than 20,000, then HRA is 30% and DA is 95%. Then DA is basic into 0.95 and HRA is basic into 0.3. This is the total details. Now the gross salary will be equal to basic plus HRA plus DA. Okay, and I will display the gross amount. So this will be the total amount of, if it is 10,000, if it is say 9,000, let us get the answer. It is 18,000 as the total salary. So this is how we will calculate the total gross salary of an employee depending upon the three variations which have been provided to us. Hope you guys have understood the concept. Thank you very much.